Vertis North, celebrating the National Aspen Day. I've adopted Sachi like 3 months ago. She was a rescued aspen. She was abandoned.
Once again, good morning everybody and welcome National Aspen Day right here at Vertis North Rain Garden.
Sachi, right?
Yeah, Sachi. Sachi. Girl, alam mo, nakailang ikot na ako, girl. Introvert din siya eh. Social battery niya eh. Please support PAWS and their advocacies. Hi, so today we are here at Vertis North, celebrating the National Aspen Day. And marami pa sa inyo hindi nakakaalam na I rescued an aspen, si Sachi. Ayan, so of course, puro pink, and ngayon, we're just waiting for everyone to be here. So maraming magaganap ngayon, dyan lang kayo, boyfriends. And we'll be going to the rain garden kasi doon yung assembly. So yun lang, later. So andito na kami sa rain garden. Like, look, ayun na yung mga tao. Wearing orange for the event, National Aspen Day, organized by the Philippine Animal Welfare Society or PAWS. And ayun yung kasama namin isa pang dog, si Pocholo. So mag-register lang kami doon so we can get our umbrellas and our bracelets. Laters. Ano po gagawin doon? And your when you get to Sachi, no. Friends yan, friends. Oh, come here, Sachi. So we are now here at Rain Garden, dito sa Vertis North. Doon na kami mag-register with this beautiful umbrella. That's what we got. The wristband, the shirt, and Sachi's bandana right there. Sobrang daming dogs, daming aspen. Tignan nyo. Assembly pa lang, tapos later magkakaroon kami ng program, tapos pet buffet. So para sa kanila yon. Tapos, after nun, magkakaroon ng parade. So yeah, just join us today. It's all about our aspens. And by the way, guys, so sa mga hindi nakakaalam, I've adopted Sachi like 3 months ago. She was a rescued aspen. She was abandoned. And I believe she was also being abused kasi sobrang takot siya noon. And you've met Zebby and Shoti na. So this time, I want you to meet the new addition to the family, which is Sachi. Ayan. And complete naman na yung vaccine niya. So guys, I really want everyone to understand that it's better to adopt and not to shop. Because when you shop, you are also supporting the breeders na minsan pinapabayaan na lang yung mga dogs na ginamit nila for breeding. And that foster home kung saan ko nakuha si Sachi, meron din silang na-foster na mother Shih Tzu, tas pinabayaan after giving 3 births. So please, adopt, don't shop.
Once again, good morning everybody and welcome National Aspen Day right here at Vertis North Rain Garden. Perfect, that is good practice for one thing we're gonna do later on after we do our photos. So with that, it's time to take a lot of pictures. So we're reminding those who are wearing the orange shirts to come join us, find your place in our letters right over here. We have ASPIN, spelling out the word aspen.
Kasama na ano ba?
We just finished with the big National Aspen Day human logo na drone shot. So abangan nyo na lang yun sa post. I'm sure na ipapost na lang sa social media nila. And I just saw two of the Miss Philippines queens. Of course, Sachi had a picture with them. There's Sachi. Ayan. So ngayon, pupunta na kami sa mall Atrium kasi that's where the program will be held. Andun din yung pet buffet breakfast nila. Tapos we'll have a program and ayun. So samahan niyo pa rin kami doon. So we're now here at the Vertis North Atrium. So as you can see, nandun na lahat nag-assemble. So this is where the program will be held. And the pet breakfast buffet. And look at Sachi. By the way, this hat is made by Tita Rona. Ayan. Ayaw na magpakita. But yeah, we'll have more activities pa. We'll have fun. And Sachi is having fun, I guess. But yeah, yun lang. And nauuhaw na rin pala siya. So, ito maganda to guys. If you want to buy like a very convenient water bottle for your dogs, Porta, I highly suggest. May bowl na rin siyang kasama for water and food. Tapos good na rin siyang tumbler for humans as well. So, ayan. All in one na siya. So, yeah. Porta. And of course, it's pink. But yeah, I'll see you later with more activities. Sachi. Sure, sure. Mismo pero walang social media.
This is Sachi, right?
Yeah, Sachi.
Sachi. Hey,
Sachi. Sachi, oh good. Let's go.
Sachi, ay! Kumakain! Sweet day!
You asked the question. She's some sort of a vegan.
Very influencer. Ala! Siya din daw. Nilipot mo. Sachi! Sachi!
Oh, she understands Italian.
Oh, yeah! Batangas, and then I went around Laguna, and Dan,
Yeah.
and then I have been 4 months in Sagada. I love
Yeah.
the province.
Yeah, the best.
Yeah,
You should go to the north. Like, I mean, you've been to Sagada, but there are more other places in the north.
Maybe adopted from dogs for just rescue, own rescue. Mabilisan double time kasi nagsisimula na po yung program. Gaston! And syempre ang mga atin na nagising ngayong Sunday morning para sa napaka-espesyal na araw. Hi everyone, my name is Isa Leton and it's such
parade na rescue is our favorite breed. Sachi is a rescue dog. Andun na yung iba. Nauna na. So, tuloy-tuloy na natin yung pagpaparade. Apollo, don't fool. Sachi. Girl, alam mo? Nakailang ikot na ako, girl. Sabi niya, hindi naman ako prepared sa ganitong unang labas ko. How siya, girl?
Kasi hindi siya uminom kaninang kumain eh. Fine.
Introvert din siya eh. Yung social battery niya eh. Sige lang, sige lang. Okay na? 4. Ako, hindi pa nag-ano. Okay na? Okay na? Okay na? Okay. So, yun, tapos na yung event ng National Aspen Day ng PAWS. Please support PAWS and their advocacies and their activities, their programs, and marami rin silang Aspen rescued animals for adoption. So, please visit Park. And yun lang, boyfriends, si Sachi, pagod na pagod, ubos yung social battery, nagpas kalahati na nga yung tubig actually. So, ayun lang, we're done with the program. Thank you so much for joining us. We had fun, we enjoyed, and again, this is Sachi's first ever experience to socialize, to go to the mall. So, this is very special para sa kanya. But, yeah, that's it for this video diary, boyfriends. I'll see you on the next, and just like what I always say, stay Pablo Morges and always be a blessing. See ya!